Have you ever wondered if there's a food that actually could help give our kidneys the cleanse that they need so that we can get rid of a lot of these toxins? The food today is parsley. Now, parsley you may be familiar with or maybe not. When I was growing up, parsley was always the decoration on the plate. How many of you remember that? Yeah, and in fact, we would all go, ah, when my dad would eat the parsley off the plate. We're like, no, that's the decoration. And you know, when I first got out of high school, before I finished college, I worked in the dietitian's office at a hospital. And yes, we would always add parsley to the plate. I think that was just to add a little bit of color to all of that processed food that just looked very bland. So anyway, but parsley is an amazing food, and it can actually help you have more energy. First of all, realize parsley has a lot of vitamins. It has a lot of minerals. It has magnesium. It has phosphorus. It has calcium. It has vitamin C. It has beta carotene, which would be vitamin A. It has so much for you. It's an amazing herb. And of course, when we cook with it, it adds a lot of great flavor to what we're eating. Now here's what it does. Parsley goes in and helps your kidneys to cleanse themselves of all the toxins. And when your kidneys are rid of all those toxins, you therefore are going to have more beautiful skin. That's always good. You're going to have more energy. That's definitely a plus. You're going to have less inflammation. You're going to have less possibilities for kidney stones. I know that's going to catch some attention. And also, when your kidneys are working and working well, your high blood pressure is going to naturally be reduced. Okay, that has to take you back to the 3 principles were eat the foods God called good. Parsley is one of those good foods, so yes, we should be enjoying it. Now I want to share with you an interesting way of enjoying parsley so that we can give our kidneys the cleanse that they need so that we can get rid of a lot of these toxins.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
So here's what I want you to do. So I have some parsley here. This is some curly parsley. It's just so pretty. And if you just pick off a sprig of parsley, the aroma, it just smells good. If you could only just smell this right here, you would smell it too. So what we would do is take off a couple sprigs, and you definitely want to be growing this in your garden. I even have some that has been in my garden for 2 years because our winters haven't been quite as bad to kill it, and I kind of keep it protected. So you would take this parsley and you would just kind of crush it. We really want to release those oils. Okay, then we're going to put it in a tea diffuser. Let me show you this tea diffuser here. Okay, so we're going to put it in this tea diffuser here. And this is my favorite tea diffuser. So then we're just going to flip it over like that. I got a few stems sticking out, but that's okay. I'll just pinch them off. All right, so so you want to do 1 tablespoon of crushed parsley, fresh parsley, no dehydrated, no spices from the grocery store. Fresh parsley. Stick it in your teacup. Add 1 cup of boiling water, and then put a lid on it. I don't mean that in the wrong way. I just put a lid on it and let it steep for 5 minutes. When it's done with the 5 minutes, you would just take your lid off. You would take this off and just kind of tap out all of the juice, set that aside, and then enjoy your tea. If you feel like, wow, I just feel like I don't have any energy, I just feel like I had that kidney stone a couple months ago, I've got high blood pressure, you might want to drink this 2 or 3 times a day. Now realize, I would never recommend that you go off your medication. You have to work with your doctor on that. But I do recommend that you enjoy the foods that God's given you. Let them work in your body the way He designed it, and then let your body respond like it was supposed to. And definitely when your doctor says, what's going on? You're looking so healthy. You can say, wow, I've been really enjoying the foods that God created for me, and they are so good and they're working. So this is just about parsley. We could talk about every food that God created, which we will. But you're only going to know that we're talking about God's foods if you're subscribed to this channel and you ring the bell, which means you'll get notified every time we post a new video. So enjoy some parsley. Use it to cleanse your breath. Every time you eat a meal, if you chew parsley right after that meal, it will cleanse your breath and no one will know what you've been eating. It will also just help your body to feel healthy again, to feel young. And if you're at my age, you're definitely looking for a few tips on being young. I'm Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist. I want to help you be confident in the kitchen, confident with your cooking, therefore confident with your future health. But most importantly, and I hope you get this, most importantly, I want you to be confident in knowing that God loves you. And He's created food that is so amazing. Be sure and follow us at our website too, because we got blogs that talk about so many of these subjects that are so important for you. thebiblicalnutritionist.com, and hopefully you've already liked us on Facebook, The Biblical Nutritionist. It is my joy and my privilege and my honor to serve you. I hope you enjoy some parsley. Hey, let me know down below how you like to eat parsley.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
Are you ready to have more fun in life and not be plagued with sickness and tiredness? At the Reclaim Retreat, we see transformations happen as soon as you arrive at this anointed place, a sacred space where God is at work and you can truly rest in His presence. Join a community of like-minded individuals ready to reclaim their health, their joy, and their God-given purpose. Come be refreshed, be renewed, be transformed. Spots are limited. Save yours today. Register now at biblicalwellnessretreat.com and reclaim what God has already promised you.